Come, let us prepare, make some good profits today. Market left us big clues here. I talked about this in yesterday's video. Look at that 5-day moving average. Now, this is very important clue, very important liquidity. You have to watch this. I will show you where the big moves are, and it will be a continuation from yesterday's video. But before that, intraday analysis. Now, just take a look at this. This is just 1 point chop. Effectively, if you take out all the bottom and top wicks, it's a 1 point chop. The market just chopped for 1 point. But yet, let me show you 3 instances of 100% trades, even in this 1 point chop. Let me show you that here. And today, all because we train our eyes to see the algorithms right here. Now, 9:36. This was straightforward. You see the orange algorithm starting to form, and straight after you see the magenta grabbing liquidity very quickly from that 5-day moving average. Now, if you watched yesterday's video and do watch it later, you will remember I talked about this 5-day moving average and how the market may react to it. So in this case, once you see that orange breakout, it becomes quite clear it's grabbing magenta. And this particular trade here, as small as it looks, it's only about a 1 point trade. It's still more than 100% right there, all because you understood how to be looking out for the magenta algorithm right here. Now, the magenta came in useful again at 10:06. Once you see the nested structure starting to form, you see how magenta is in control. There are plenty of profits to be found here on that grab here, especially when it started selling in that blue algorithm, as I was mentioning, isn't it? Especially this large one and the other one here, the blue algorithm. And thereafter, you see it slightly taper. This is important. It's a very classic pattern, and I'll show you what happens next. Another 100% move right here. Straightforward. Well protected, getting ready for the next move right there, all because you see that magenta was still in control. And there was also a possible zombie trade with the pink algorithm and 5-day moving average, which I will talk about later. Absolutely beautiful. The second 100% trade within 1 point within the first hour of the day. Absolutely beautiful. Now, here's another bonus. You would know this right when you waited for cups to close. I mentioned when the cup closed, wait for pink to build liquidity, and you see exactly as it happened, all because we understood that there was this pink algorithm here, and you see how beautifully it started building liquidity. I got a trade here, I think, and that's another 100% trade, all because you understood how to be looking out for the algorithms right there. And in this case, you see pink just building liquidity. Once again, penny perfect, all because you are able to identify the algorithms and be patient, wait for structure to start forming.